Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's sloka is for wealth and abundance. Kuberaya Ashtalakshmi. This sloka is chanted to invoke the blessings of Lord Kubera and Goddess Lakshmi to bring wealth and prosperity into one's life. Om Reem Shreem Kreem Shreem Kuberaya Ashtalakshmi Mama Gruhe Dhanam Puraya Namaha. Om Reem Shreem Kreem Shreem Kuberaya Ashtalakshmi Mama Gruhe Dhanam Puraya Namaha. Om Reem Shreem Kreem Shreem Kuberaya Ashtalakshmi Mama Gruhe Dhanam Puraya Namaha. Meaning of the shloka. Om, the universal sound invoking divine energy. Hreem, a powerful bija mantra representing Mahalakshmi's divine energy. Shreem, the bija mantra of Goddess Lakshmi, attracting wealth, prosperity and abundance. Kreem, a mantra for protection, energy and removal of obstacles. Shreem, again invoking Mahalakshmi's blessings for financial well-being. Kuberaya, invoking Lord Kubera, the treasurer of goddess and the deity of wealth. Ashtalakshmi refers to the 8 different forms of Goddess Lakshmi, each one bringing a different kind of prosperity. Mama Gruhe, in my home. Dhanam Puraya, fill my home with wealth and prosperity. Namaha, I offer my respects. Full meaning, O Lord Kubera and Ashtalakshmi, please fill my home with never-ending wealth and prosperity. I bow to you with devotion. Namaste.